In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror an image on Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to flip any photo or graphic left to right or top to bottom, whether you're on a computer or using the Canva mobile app. First, open your design and choose the specific image or element you want to mirror. Click or tap directly on it so you see the selection handles around the edges. This is important because the flip controls only appear when an element is actually selected. If you see multiple items highlighted, click away and select just the one you want to mirror so you don't accidentally flip your entire layout. Once your image is selected, look for Canva's editing toolbar. On desktop, it appears above the editor. On mobile, it's at the bottom of the screen. In that toolbar, find the flip icon. It looks like a circle with two curved arrows. If you don't see it right away, it's usually near other quick edit options like crop and rotate. Again, double check that the right element is selected. The flip option won't show for the canvas itself. Now choose the type of mirror you want. Flip horizontal mirrors your image from left to right, just like a reflection in a mirror. This is perfect when you want to change the direction of a subject or balance the composition. After flipping horizontally, you might notice the subject swaps sides in your layout. That's normal, and you can drag the image to reposition it so it aligns with text or other elements. Flip vertical turns the image upside down. This is useful for creating reflections, playing with symmetry, or adjusting the orientation for a design effect. Keep in mind that if your image contains readable text or faces, flipping vertically will invert them, so use this thoughtfully depending on your design goals. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.